single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Here we are again. The alter ego. I will show you today how to insert the SSD drive into your PlayStation 5. I will also put some new covers on it, black clear covers, and also some LED mod. So you will see lights circling inside the PlayStation 5. So we're gonna start with that right now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course to follow us, click the thumbs up. So to do this, we have both Aorus Gen 4 7000 speed SSD drive. We have the faceplates for the PlayStation, clear, blackish, yeah, a matte finish faceplates, and also the LED light strip. All these things are available on bol.com, or this is bought from alternate.be. They are actually cheap with these expansions, and this is a 2 terabytes for $350. So check that out. Normally it's around 410, 420. So now I'm gonna unpack the stuff. So let me first unpack the Aorus Gen 4. It's really nice boxed in. It's quality drive, this one. So it's a 2 terabyte, and you have to watch out because there's a plastic sticker on top of it, so you have to remove that. It's only not to scratch the stick itself, but you cannot leave that on because, yeah, this heats up inside your PlayStation. There's also a heatsink to it here. As you can see, there's a heatsink on it, and that prevents from heating up your PlayStation. So let's put this aside and now open the PlayStation itself. So to do that, so how do we open the PlayStation? First, screwdriver. Take out the screw from the stand. So get out the screw. Remove the stand. Here you go. Voila. So this is the stand where it's when you put it right up. Put the screw with it. So it's important to put your PlayStation down with the drive face to you. Then the other opposite corner you have to lift, and it flips off. So easy is it. So this white one, I think I'm not gonna use it anymore because I have now new ones. So let's put this aside for a while. While it's open, it's very interesting to clean this because there's a lot of dust actually after using it for several months. So let's clean it with the vacuum cleaner, but on a very low sucking, because when you keep it vacuuming too hard, you can actually damage your PlayStation. So, and that's not what we want to do. Okay. Voila. It can be a little harder. It was too low. Ah, there we go. Okay. So all the dust is removed there. Sorry about the noise. It's vacuuming, so it's making noise. So let's open the bay for the drive. Actually, so I'm gonna put in the drive now. So I show that to you. So the drive port is down here, okay? This metal plate, you will have to use it again because this is also making your device cool down. Even though it's weird because it's actually covering everything, but the circulation of your fan is actually going through there, so you have to close it up again. So you need a screwdriver, small one, that fits the screw in here, and you open it up. You put the screw aside carefully. It's a big screw actually. Then you can open the lid. It's a little stuck. Oh, maybe I can use my screwdriver actually. Yeah, there we go. So I open the lid, put this also aside. And then there's like a little screw and nut down there. You have to use that nut and put it on the 80 and also the screw. So that's where you are gonna fasten actually the memory stick itself. So you unscrew that also. It's a tight screw. Okay, I have to use another one. I think I have the wrong. I have to go bigger. Yeah, it's a different screw than the other one actually. Strange, but okay. Here we go. So you unscrew that one. So that's the good one. Make sure you don't lose the screw inside your PlayStation, or then you're totally messed up. So you take out the screw. It's also a very long one. Yep, keep screwing. Alright. Put it aside. It's a little screw. Put it aside. And also the nub that's inside there. I'm going to use this little tweaks. And then you put that on the 80 spot. So you put it in there. And that's where you're going to put the stick on to rest. So what you have to do is you take the memory stick. You plug it in. I have to look where it is. Up there, okay. It's so hard to see. You can actually put it in diagonal and then flip it down. So you hear it click, and then you put it down, and it should fit the 80 knob there. So then it's installed correctly. Then you put the screw in. Fasten the screw to take it all down, so it cannot get out of the PlayStation by itself when moving it or anything like that. So then it goes nowhere anymore. So that's fast. Just fasten that screw, hand fast, you know, not too tight, or you break the board, circuit board. And then you have this plate. Put it back on. There you go. Put in the screw and close it up. So that's installed. So actually when I boot up my PlayStation then, it will ask me to format the disk drive. So let's have that a try then. But first, of course, we're gonna put on the LED strip. This one, see? And let's unbox that first. There you go. So this LED strip comes with 2 circular LED strips you can attach to the fan base here, and the other one on the other side, of course. And then also you have the remote control that comes with it, and then you also have some stickers to use to make these circles attached to the fan. So let's have a look. So we add the little stickers to the light circles. There you go. There's 4 for each circle. Then you can stick it on top of the fan board there. So that's great. There you go. It's actually easy to do yourself. It's not that hard or difficult. So as you can see, those little 4 white stickers have to be removed to make it stick actually. So let's put it on. And I will take first the other faceplate also lost from the PlayStation. I'm gonna loosen it, and so I have possibility to actually stick them both down and then put the new faceplates on them. So the clear ones, yep. So these stickers are attached, as you can see. So let's put this aside, and now first of all remove the other plate. So to do that, it's the same way. You put them down with the PlayStation logo towards you, and then you have to just pull up this side, and then it flips off. There you go. There's also a lot of dust in here, as you can see, so I give it a vacuum also. So let's vacuum this. Oh, there's a lot of dust here. Actually, this side has more dust than the other one. There you go. And there we go again. So what we do is just stick this on. So we're gonna stick this on top of the fan base. Taking off these white things is actually not that easy. There we go. And another one. And the last one. Yes, so we can now stick it on top. Make sure the cable is running down here. It has to go, oh, it has to go this way, sorry. Because this is going into the USB port, so that's the way it has to go. There we go. Maybe I can do it like that. As close as I can. There we go. Yep. And then you give it a push to fix it on there. Here we go. See? That sticks on top of it. Alright. So what we do is turn the PlayStation around again. Very slowly. Make sure the cable is running down there. There you go. Put the PlayStation back down. And then you can actually do the next one. Also make sure that these little white covers from the stickers don't fall into your PlayStation, or you have a big problem also. So make always sure you do it away from the fan, or you can actually try to fish it out there. There we go. And then you can just click that one on. And there you go. Also give it a little push, not too hard, of course. There you go. That should stick on there very well. Alright, so now we have the new faceplates. See, these are the faceplates we have. So to put them on is the same way as you're taking them off, you know. So let's start with the drive base. Just look for how it fits easiest. So look for the connections. Yep. There you go. There you go. And then all you have to do is slide up. So when it's down here, down there, slide up. And you should hear it click. I think it's on. Yeah. You can hear it click and then it's on. Alright. So the cable is actually in here, but it's okay, nothing is happening. And then you turn it around. And you do the same here. So look for the connections to go up. Then you put it on. There you go. Put it on in the right spot. It's actually easy to see because they're clear, these ones. You have to push it a little down and oh, wait. It's not that easy as I thought. So in, down, and slide. Oh, it pops off. Okay, no, in, down, and slide is not the way to go. You see, it's actually easier to pop them off than pop them on. Okay, so pop it on. Then like this, and click it. Is it clicked? It has clicked. Okay. I think it's on. So this is how he looks now, the PlayStation. It's clear, but black clear, you know. So turn around, they have the drive port, and then we have this. Actually, you put the USB inside of the top USB port, and that's when you can just make it, yeah, work actually. So let's connect this PlayStation and see if everything works what I have done. So now people, it's all about, yeah, starting it up. A little bit of stress. So we have PlayStation. Yes, it starts for the moment. Look, we have the LEDs, the LED lights. They are full green now. So let's see if it asks to format. Yes, that's cool. So it actually asks to format the SSD, you know. If this happens, that means you installed it correctly. And it's installing. Meanwhile, I'll take my, there we go. Okay. So the SSD is ready to use. There you go. Okay. So let's see what this remote control does. You can change the lights, as you can see, to any color. And you can also make them cycle like this. You can cycle. So that's great. And there's many more features down here. You can go quick. See? You can go slow. It actually can work on music. So if you go up and then you talk, you can see that it's working on sound. So that's also great. Yeah, that's what it does, you know. You can also make it go on sound with colors. See? So there's a lot of functions in there. And there's also an app on the cell phone if you want to control it by cell phone. So yeah, I hope you like this video. It's a winter video. Yeah, we cannot go out that much. It's winter here. And I was going to fix this PlayStation with the LED lights and the external internal SSD, sorry. I was like, okay, well, make a film for the people, because some people don't know how to do it, or scared to do it, but I'm total, yeah, how do you call it? Noob. I never did this before and it worked like crazy, so don't worry, just do it. So make sure you give us a thumbs up, follow us, it's totally free, just subscribe our channel, and see you the next time. Bye bye.